Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier allows FaceTime over mobile data and that you have LTE or 5G available. This matters because video uses more bandwidth. Open Settings, then Cellular, and enable cellular data. Next, scroll to FaceTime and toggle mobile data on so FaceTime can use cellular. Once done, disable Wi-Fi or move to an area with poor Wi-Fi intentionally to force FaceTime to use your mobile connection and begin a call with the correct. You now open FaceTime and start a new video call, add contacts or pick someone from favorites. Tap video to initiate the camera feed. As the call connects, watch the signal strength and the LTE or 5G icon so you know you're on mobile data. If bandwidth dips, make adjustments, switch to rear camera, turn off your video to save data, or use headphones for clearer audio. Also, make sure background app refresh is limited so other apps do not consume your cellular allowance. To finish, end the FaceTime call normally and then inspect cellular data usage in settings to see how much video consumed. If call quality was poor, first toggle mobile data off and back on, then retry. This often reassigns the radio. If problems persist, restart your phone to refresh network connections. As a last resort, reset network settings, but be prepared to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. If you still have trouble, contact your carrier to confirm there are no restrictions on video calls over mobile data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.